Today we're going to do what I'd like to think is an original coffee drink. It's one we call the Keto Coffee Cloud, and it's one that you really couldn't do with a milk steamer, that the milk frother works particularly well. Use heavy cream, espresso, and I'm going to use a pump of salted caramel sugar-free syrup. Now, I normally eyeball this. I'll say 2 or 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and I'm going to put in 1 pump of the syrup. Then we take our milk frother and patiently wait for it to thicken up. The trick with this one is you want it to get thick, but not so thick that it's like whipped cream. Okay. All right, so that texture, it moves just a little bit. It's not as thick as whipped cream, slightly less. And then we're going to pour in our espresso right in the center, slowly, so it doesn't float on the top. We're going to top it with just a little bit of chocolate powder, cocoa powder. There you have the Keto Coffee Cloud. If you haven't figured out why we named it that, or my son came up with that name, take a look at the different layers. It looks like layers of clouds. And when you drink this, I think you'll really appreciate it. If you enjoy this drink, we've got a whole playlist of coffee drinks. So please click like, subscribe, and ring the bell. You don't want to miss any of them.